Uh, let's start thinking of a plan for the wildcats to come. Okay. I don't know why we came up there, but the leader said he was doing some important work there. I think that's his workroom. Oh no! I just realized something. There was too many thunderstorms that the toucans and flamingos' house is broken down. Oh no! We need to call Dash to build new ones. Don't worry, we will do that later. But first we have to think of a plan. Whoa, what's that? Let me see. Where's my house? Let me go in my house and see in my computer. What's the thing going on with the siren? Aha, there it is. Oh my goodness! What? The wildcats build the teleport, the portal. It's just right outside the bird city. Like outside, right outside. Oh my god, I don't know what to say right now. But the portal is just outside the free area. Oh my goodness, you have to tell this to the others. Guys, wake up, quick! What's all the ruckus about? The wildcats portal is just outside the bird city's free area, and they will come after 1 week from that portal. What? The portal is already here. Yeah, and they will come after 1 week. Oh no! Get prepared fast. I'm getting into work. Ow! Just put the parachute mode. You know, our leader is a inventor, so tidding, there's my parachute bag and tidding. Yes, I activated it. Time to glide. Oh, this is awesome. Wow, I landed safely. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. What, you forgot about that incredible invention? I landed. Me too. I landed. I'm an inventor. Okay. Where's my zippy zappy bag? Okay, there it is. And I turn on it and activated. Oh yeah, this zip line will get me to the way I want to go. Okay, it goes nothing. Woohoo! Yay! Wow! That was a beautiful and great ride. I saw all of you, and I also saw the portal, I guess. Come on, guys. We need to go into. Where's my house? Oh no! Now where will I live? About that. What? The thunderstorm broke it? Yeah, it broke both of your house. Toucans and yours. Oh no! How am I going to live out without a house? Anyways, let me get my computer. from my broken house. Okay. Phew, the computer is still safe. Okay. I got the report. Let me go and check this portal out, okay? Let's stay here, guys. Okay? No, wait, no. It's not about that. Look at the power of the bird city. It's going low. Oh no. Quick, we have to fix this. Oh no. The bird city's electricity will go in 100 seconds. What? Seconds? Yeah. You have to fix it fast. Okay. Now we need the thorium crystal to power it up again. Oh no, it's crashed. Oh no. Wait for flight. But how is the bird city going to fly? You will see. Get ready for flight. And turn. Okay, we are above the clouds. Oh my god, I didn't know the bird city can fly, and even all the houses are flying. Phew, my house is back. I also programmed everybody's house. If it breaks, the bricks will share some electric lasers, and then it's magnetic lasers. Then it will slowly come together and boom, it will attach back again. But Toucan's house is not unprogrammed, so I have to program it too. But anyways, I have to steer it this way. Oh my god, I love the ride. Where are we? We are in flight mode. Wow, let's see through the windows. Okay. Anton, whoa, hold on, my baby. Oh my god, it's turning again. And this way. Okay, there's the window. Oh, wait, it's on in the free time. The door is glass, so we can see through it. Look at that. We are in the skies. Yo, it's working. Ow. Shut down the door of the free time in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's shut down. All the doors are shut down. Okay, so we can't go out. We have to stay inside. Anton! Oh my god! Ow! Ow! Okay, it's okay. Put on your seatbelts, everybody. Come out of bed. Yeah, I'm coming. It's in the flight mode. I didn't know we were flying somewhere. Whoa, it's in flight mode. So let's buckle up. Family, come. Okay? Leave the egg on the... I'm seeing from down here. Leave the egg on the bed. Okay, Father, I leave it. Oh. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, it's in flight mode. Let's go. Oh, yeah, of course. I forgot about that. There's my house back there. Turn! Wah! Be careful. Okay, I'm careful. I'm coming. I'm coming. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. I like this ride. I like the flight mode of the bird city. So awesome. And I also like the land mode, but I like the flight mode best. I'm coming. Oh, Father, why are you sitting alone? Let's sit here. Okay, Father. Oh, flight mode is awesome. Don't go outside, my kid. Oh yeah, the door is closed, so you can't. Why? Because we will fall out from the outside door. I'm pretty sure I shut down it. Yeah, I also shut down that door too. I'm coming. Wow. Toucan, what you were here going? Sorry, it's okay. Now only newborn baby penguin. Your brother is, your sister, your little sister is still there. Sister, come quick. Yeah, I am coming, big brother. Ow. Let's go. And Boeing. And buckle up, Zap. Ting, ting. I'm looking at the map and steering. Okay, this way. Okay, that way. Oh, massive bird. Did you say massive bird? Yes. Yes, he did. Yeah, I just saw a gigantic bird. I want to explore that and ride it. No, you can't. It's dangerous. Oh, okay. This way. And we're almost here. And land. Where we landed? Yeah. I also programmed the bird city to look like the Tortuga. What? Yeah. Transform bird city. Eat. Now it's the Tortuga. Wow. How did it do that? There's 2 Tortugas in the world now. There's 2 Tortugas in the world now. One is the bird city and one is the real Tortuga. Oh. Okay. The tortoise feet has landed. Now, let's go. Okay. The hatch is opening. All doors are opened. Whoa, it really looks like the Tortuga. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, wait for the leader to come. I don't know where we are going and I don't know. Let's go together in the flock. Leader, where are we going actually? We'll find out. And you'll love it. Okay. Dash was following us. Dash was following us all the way here in the land. Oh? Yeah. So this is after the thunderstorm. Today's clumsy video. Oh yeah. And Dash was following us. And his car is still there. So he can give us a ride. We are going to the amusement park. The amusement park. Yay, 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 yeah. Let's go and say hi to him first. Okay. Let's go in our Bird City Tortuga. Hey, great name. Bird City Tortuga. Great. Yeah, our Tortuga is. And there's the miniaturizer and little. But remember, it is out of power. The Bird City Tortuga is out of power. Oh yeah. Well, the Bird City's new updates are cool. Yep. I knew you would like them. So, come on, flock, let's go. Hey, I shouldn't say that. No, I said it. Okay, let's take turns to where we are going. Let's go. Ow. Let's go, flock, to the amusement park. The amusement park. Whatever. And it's special. What is the special about amusement park? It's a bird amusement park. There's budgies. Whoa, 2 budgies? Yeah, 2 giant budgies. Whoa! But some of us are bigger than the giant budgies. Oh, okay. Let's go, Father. It sounds amazing. Yeah, I know. Relax. Let's go, kids. Yay! We are going to see giant budgies. Woo! And we will make new friends with them. Yay! New friend. Yep, you'll make new friend at the bird amusement park. New friend. And special bird friend. Yep, it will be very fun and fantastic to you. Ha, get it? Fantastic. Let's go. Round 2 of the flock. Let's go, let's go, birds. Okay, father. Yeah, okay. I'm always ready to go to make new bird friends. Yep. Oh, where's my other kid? Oh, he's already there. She's already there. Come on. Let's go. Baby. Yay, new friend. And we can always come to visit them here in the Budgie's amusement park. Yay! Always come to visit. That's awesome! Looks like the twins are very happy. The surprise is good for them and good for us too. Now, okay, round 3 is almost going to start. Okay, now round 3 of the flock is coming. Everybody line up. Me too. Me too. Bald eagle style. Here. You mean friendly bald eagle style? Yeah, I mean that. Yep, because you're a friendly bald eagle named a nice name, Baldy. Yep, Baldy is a very, very beautiful man. Okay, round 3 is set. Let's go. Baldy is the leader of round 3 and the main leader is Flamingo, of course, because he's the biggest in our flock. So let's go. In the round 2, Toucan was the leader. But the main leader is Flamingo. We already know because he's the biggest one in the flock, with his long, flexible legs. Okay, go quick, round 3. Otherwise, it will be late. Yeah. Let's go. I will go from here. Meanwhile, you go from there, okay? Okay. Okay, I reached. Yep, I'm coming. Here's the flock. And here I am. We both are left. So let's go. I'll stand right here. And somebody else will come in this large gap. That will be me. This large gap you're talking about, right guys? Yeah. Now land it. Great. Now round 4 is coming. Okay, round 4, the Mr. Pigeon is leader. And the main leader is the Flamingo. When there will be more birds adding to the bird city Tortuga, then there will be round 5 as well. And round 6 and round 10. Up to 1,000 rounds. Wow! Okay, now let's start from little to big. Let's start from teeny tiny flock. Yeah, let's start from teeny tiny flock. Yep. we will go teeny tiny 2000 million and infinity. Yep, you said it. Let's go farther. Okay. Come on, my baby, follow me. Okay. Okay, Mr. Pigeon will go first because he's the leader for round 4. Yep, I'll go first. Beside birds, Mr. Pigeon coming. In round 5, there will be only 2 birds, and round 6, and round 7, round 8 will be the updates. See and the updates in the new videos coming up soon. Stay tuned for that, guys. Stay tuned for that. For the new updates in the Bird City Tortuga. Well, let's go. Oh wait, the round 4 is going on. I forgot. Let's go. A little help? Okay, I'll carry you. There. All passengers, place is here. Oh, you're like a bus driver? Yeah, I'm like a bus driver, not a bus driver. Yeah, it was just warming up. Okay. Let's go, father. Now follow me. The flock is giant, but teeny tiny for 1,000 million and infinity. 1,000 million infinity. It infinite. Yes, infinity means going on forever and ever and ever. Yep, flock, you're correct. Now for round 5 to come. That is with 2 birds. Yep, I'm coming. Ooh. There. And the last one left. Okay. This is the big flock. A teeny tiny for 1,000 million infinity, we said. But this is the flock. I will set the phone on the drone. Okay, there we go. Okay, I have the controller. Did it? And up. A little down, and that's perfect. Ow! Your drone is hitting my fish. And oh, we forgot that whenever one falls, everybody falls. Ow! Now I fall. And up and high. Yep, and that's all the flock scene. Okay, now drone, come back. A little down and perfect. Okay, got it. Now let me change it and put it to normal camera again. Okay, put my drone there and perfect. It's a bumpy trip to go in the flock, but I think the rest of the parts of this video is perfectly coming along as planned. Yep. Now let's go. Forward. Yep. We are leaving the bird city Tortuga. Oh, I think I see Darsh's car. Okay, let's go. Enough discussing. Oh my god. There's somebody in the bird city. Let me see which bird has come. Yeah, hello? Not interested. Okay. So let's go. Leader, you should lead. That's why you're called a leader. To lead us where we want to go to the Budgies Park. Oh wait, Dash is not here. Yeah, it was just April Fool. But April is already gone. Yeah, April was 1 month ago. Well, somebody has to stay with the kids. They are alone. I will. Of course, I am the father, so I will take care while the mother is tired of working. Okay. Leader, go in the front. Yeah. Go. March. Well, outside is a little noisy than I expected. Okay. There's the Budgies Amusement Park gate. That one is Animal Amusement Park, right there. There's the zookeeper of the Animal Amusement Park. Well, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Where's my family? You're right here. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Mom will go first. With Green Parrot and the leader in front. Okay. I guess that's fair. Oh yeah, I'm watching outside's view. See? Do you want to watch, guys? Okay, it's open. Ooh, interesting. I've never been in this place before of the bird city. It's the balcony of the bird city. Let's go. No, don't go alone. There might be dangers lurking outside. Oh, okay. I will be with the flock. Then we can defend ourselves. Yeah, correct. Now close the door. Oh, leader's got the remote. So close it, leader. Okay, I close both doors. And the other one? Yeah. I'm almost going to do that. There we go. That's perfect. Get it? Perfect. Ha 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 ha. The leader's so funny. Now, let's get straight. Okay. Father, don't leave me and brother. Let's go, brother. With father. Yeah, it's kind of lonely without anyone. Okay, let's go. It's going to be hard to travel way over there, and we are way over here. But we have to. Let's go. Oh, that's my phone. Hello? Yeah? Okay, bye bye. Ta-da. What happened? Nothing. Let's go. By the way, I'm coming. Why am I all the way over here? Let's join the flock. Ow, you're stepping on my tail. Oops, sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Oops. Wrong direction. Yeah. Oop. That leads straight to the Bird City Tortugas bird area. Yeah. Don't go the wrong ways of the Bird City Tortuga. Okay. I'm way over here. There's a lot of space. Any bird could fit here. Large, medium or small. A little help? Okay. I'll carry you this time. I will keep you right over here. But there's a long way. There's a long journey. So somebody has to carry him all the way. There. Okay, I will. Let's go. Okay. Baldy's got oranges and blue jays, elder brothers. Injured elder brother, I mean. Ow. Ow. Ouchie. There we go. Ouchie, never mind. What are you doing? Don't dance. Oh, yeah. Then why are you dancing? Oops, sorry. It's okay. Oh my goodness, that's a long way. So we have to go in a flock so that we can stay safe from predators. They'll know how strong we are. And if they don't learn the lesson, we attack. Yep. Only if we feel threatened. Yeah. We don't kill them or something. Kill is a bad word. We don't do that or something. We are kind. But when we are threatened, we attack. But not kill. Yep, kill is a bad word. Don't say it, my baby. Just focus in the flock. Yeah. You're correct, my father. I'll be a little side. There we go. Okay, I'm here. There's no more bird left. We are ready to go. Okay, leader, move on. Ow. Okay, follow me, guys. See, I told you it was easy. It's just a few meters away.